top 5.
Top 5, punta rin na.
Nico.
Top 5, top 5.
Our second runner-up will win.
Top 5. Pasok na
Our
mga top
second
5. Top 5.
Ron
Top
Ishigiri.
5. Pasok. Go.
It's rainbow colors. Rainbow colors this time. Rainbow colors. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, violet, indigo, blue. Yeah. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to announce second runner-up, first runner-up, and the rest will be eliminated. What will be the second runner-up getting? The second runner-up will be getting what? Second runner-up will get 100 pesos. First plus 100 stand, the rest of the night will be.
Go, Jana. Go, Jana.
First runner-up will get 200 pesos. Plus 100 stand with Jana. And the winner will receive 300 pesos plus 100 stand. Alright, let's get it on. Second runner-up,
Purple violet.
Violet. So you are the winner of 100 pesos. So that's the winner. Philippine West Bonanza. First runner-up, yellow.
Go, Jana. Go, Jana.